Welcome to the Mason Kelley Experiment. This is Mason Kelley, High School Sports Coordinator here at the Seattle Times. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about some first-round playoff matchups coming up in the WIAA state playoffs, which begin Friday at regional sites. A lot of stuff was determined yesterday, so I'm going to try to walk you through it and kind of go 4A, 3A boys and see if I can sort everything out for everyone. We're going to go ahead and start with the region that takes place at Jackson High School that will feature second or third ranked, the Jackson Timberwolves, led by Brett Kingma. Region is going to be the region at Juanita High School. Garfield and Tony Roten are going to be in that regional. As you will remember, Garfield won the Kinko 4A title at Juanita just last week in a day that saw Nate Robinson and Jamal Crawford and Brandon Roy all show up to watch that game, so that was pretty cool. And the next region we have is at Puyallup High School. The winner of Tacoma game, it'll be Puyallup against Curtis. Curtis won the District 3-4 title. Puyallup, ranked number 10 in the state, was the fourth seed out of District 3-4 in a loser-out game. And this region is at Puyallup High School. In that loser-out game, it'll be Gig Harbor against Ballard. Gig Harbor was the number 7 seed out of District 3-4. Ballard, coming in at 15-8, was the number 2 seed out of District 2. The next region after that is we're going to go to the east side of the state at Richland High School. Davis of Yakima is going to play Gonzaga Prep of Spokane. In a loser-out game, it's going to be Evergreen Vancouver and against the Richland Ferris winner. Ferris, remember, is the number 2 ranked team in the state, which was upset by Gonzaga Prep heading into in the playoffs, and now has to win to get in. Now let's move on to Class 3A. We're going to start in the region that is in Marysville-Pilchuck. be featured one of the top games of the weekend. It's O'Day against Lincoln. O'Day is number 1 at 22-3. They're the number 3 seed out of District 2 after being upset by Bellevue. Lincoln won the District 3-4 title, and they're ranked at number 4 in the state. So about as good a matchup as you're going to see early in the day. In a loser-out game, we've got Chief South against Foss. Chief South, number 4 seed out of District 2. Foss, the number 4 seed out of District 3-4. Finally, we'll go to the east side of the state to Spokane Balls Community College. In this Winter-Tacoma game, Kamiakin will play North Central from Spokane. Kamiakin, that was third ranked in 3A. They're the number 1 seed at District 5-6. North Central upset number 9 University twice to secure that top spot out of District 8. And then in the loser-out game, Mercer Island, which is making its first trip to state since 2008, will play Southridge. Mercer Island, you'll remember, comes in at 20-5. They knocked off number 2 Rainier Beach to get this spot in a loser-out game for the number 5 seed out of the Sea King District 3A title or tournament. So, the Mercer Island's playing about as well as anybody right now too, and I wouldn't be surprised to see them go over and win a couple of games. So, anyway, that's it for this installment of the Mason Kelley Experiment. Again, check back later today. We're going to try to live stream our Star Times luncheon, where some of the top players in the area will get awards, both boys and girls, and we'll see you there for that. Thanks.